back mass walks towards them, they tend to go on the defensive towards it, and sometimes back dogs do get picked up. But this dog's called Alfie, he's 10 years of age. Where's our competitor? Here she comes. Now all she's got to do is keep up with this dog. Now he's pretty laid back, this dog, so it should be an easy task. His name's Alfie, he's definitely not Alfie. So it's one sound to motivate him, and one sound to get his attention. So are you ready? And go. Just keep up with him, he's nice and steady, he might even make you stop actually. Watch carefully, because dogs only do what they consider best for them at that moment in time. Oh, they could probably even make you walk back to him if you're not careful. Here he comes. He's a good old boy, as I say, he's 10 years of age, so he's doing well. A little bit of grey coming up around his muzzle there, but he'll now set the pace, because dogs aren't like people. When it's boiling hot, they don't run around as fast as we do. Johnny hasn't run marathons in 100 degrees, so he's doing really well. Pretty much under control at this stage, lots of guidance. That's the idea, he's got to get through the tunnel, if he can, because he is a bit porky, isn't he? Here he comes, he's almost there, and as I say, 10 years old, doing incredibly well. Well done. Big round of applause for that young lady there. Almost a clear round.